While simultaneously presenting its 3-year business plan to investors, Polestar, the electric car manufacturer owned by Volvo Cars and Geely Holdings, gave a sneak peek at the 2023 Polestar 3 luxury electric performance SUV expected to go on sale in 2022. Stay close as we let you know all about this amazing supercar. In today's video, we are discussing the Polestar 3 electric SUV. Kindly stay tuned to the end of the video just to see how amazing this supercar is. At Volvo's first US facility in Ridgeville, South Carolina, Polestar expects to build the Polestar 3 alongside Volvo products from the end of the year in 2022. The third generation Volvo S60 is currently being produced on that site. The Polestar SUV will roll off the assembly line for the first time towards the end of the year. With Volvo Cars' major stake in Polestar, the two companies benefit from each other's innovations and synergies in financing and manufacturing. Additionally, China's Chengdu factory will be where Polestar 3 manufacturing will take place, as local production allows for reasonable pricing and regional customizations. A report from Autocar states that the European units of the 3 will be manufactured in China rather than in America. Volvo Cars run a factory in Chengdu, which has a capacity of 150,000 vehicles per year. With two factories in China producing both domestically and for export, Polestar is now able to produce two different models of electric vehicles, one for the niche market of hybrid electric vehicles like the Polestar 1, and another for the electric crossover like the Polestar 2. Let's check out its specifications. You'll be disappointed if you're looking for a vehicle with a long wheelbase, huge wheels, and short overhangs. Gleaming from Volvo's upcoming Recharge concept, a flat floor is possible with the new platform that will underpin the Polestar 3. This platform makes it possible to position the seats so that the driver has a high eye point, even if the vehicle is smaller in height. If you're looking for something with a slightly low-slung design, the occupants will sit higher. Performance. There should be a lot of focus on performance in the design of the Polestar 3. According to an Autocar story, Polestar chief engineer Joachim Rydholm says that the car will be exciting to drive. Rydholm claimed that all Polestar models will make the driver feel as if they are always connected to the vehicle. Obviously, the 3 will breathe and flow a little more than the 2. Polestar is working on a new P10 motor that can supply up to 450 kilowatts of power to the rear wheels of its future electric vehicles. Combined with the front motor, the manufacturer may attain a combined power output of 650 kilowatts in AWD vehicles. A 2-speed transmission is also in the works. In September 2021, the firm presented the new motor and gearbox innovations to investors. After speaking with Polestar CEO Gregor Hembro on December 20th, 2021, Green Car Reports published an article about the P10 engine. Compared to the Porsche's Taycan, the new electric motor is expected to be 1.5 times more powerful, according to the automaker. According to the study, the maximum power output is 475 kilowatts. Hembro revealed that the Polestar's motor will not be shared with the Volvo or Lotus. For Max Missoni, the chief designer of Polestar, the driving qualities of the 3 will be distinct from those of the Volvo Concept Recharge's electric XC90. In contrast to the Polestar electric car, the Volvo SUV is likely to be more focused on comfort, range, and battery life. Polestar has stated that its next 3 launches, including the Polestar 3, would have a WLTP range of more than 600 kilometers or 373 miles. If that is the case, then the luxury Aero SUV should have a range of approximately 300 miles as estimated by the EPA. For the Polestar 3, a 103 kilowatt battery pack may be the first to be installed in a Polestar vehicle. It will be an 800 volt battery pack produced by Volvo Cars and Lotus. Switching between 800 and 400 volts is possible with a multi-high-speed charging system. It will take about 20 minutes to charge the battery to 80% SOC with an 800 volt charger. Next generation Polestar EVs, equipped with the company's cutting-edge battery technology, will provide bi-directional vehicle-to-grid interoperability. The 3 may be used to power home appliances, charge devices, and recharge other electric vehicles. According to the Green Car reports, an estimated 20 kilowatts of power will be used for bi-directional charging. Fast charging up to 80% may take as little as 20 minutes for ultra-fast chargers. In the wake of Volvo's decisions to go electric, how can the Polestar stand out? The Volvo Embla, an electric vehicle based on the same chassis as the Polestar 3, will be available for purchase along the Polestar 3. However, the Polestar 3's attention to the driver will make a big impact, Ingeleth said in January 2022. Rather than emphasizing load capacity, the Polestar 3 will feature a streamlined design and an emphasis on performance. Polestars, on the other hand, are touted as sportier, more forward-thinking, and more energetic than Volvo's. The same effect may be seen in the colors and materials used. However, Polestar will have a more technologically advanced cabin atmosphere than Volvo. There is a tremendous desire for Polestar to stand out from and perhaps compete with its parent business, Geely. To put it another way, Ingeleth told A&E in January 2022 interview that the Polestar 3 would have a more adventurous design and a more polarizing, more exclusive appeal than its Volvo cousin, the SPA2 platform sharing SPA2. On top of all this, another A&E report from April 7th, 2022 claims that Polestar has already distributed more than 40,000 OTA upgrades to its vehicles in 19 different markets across 19 different countries. These markets include the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, and China. Interior of the Polestar 3. Volvo's concept Recharge and Polestar's sport utility car will have very different seating capacities. When compared to the family-friendly Volvo model, the Polestar 3 will only have 5 seats. Volvo unveiled the C40 Recharge electric SUV coupe in March 2021 as its first car with a leather-free interior. Polestar, the second passenger car brand of Volvo Car Group, is now also expected to offer an EV without any leather. For Forbes, Ingeleth was asked in February 2021 how much of the Precept's inventive thinking will be included in the Polestar 3's design. He added that the Polestar market and regional executives finally see the benefits of investing in new design and technology. According to the same statement, he implied that the interior of the Polestar 3 would be leather-free. "We understand what you're saying, but our markets still demand leather," was a common response a few years ago. "Thank goodness we've resolved our squabble." Ingeleth stated that the natural fiber material it had worked on with the B-Comp for the Precept concept seats is now moving into production later. The 1 coupe and 2 sedan-style hatchbacks are the only Polestar models to date without a leather interior. Features. Polestar 3 is expected to have a plethora of technological comfort and convenience features, many of which may be shared with the Polestar 2 model. 2 possible key elements are a widescreen digital instrument cluster and a heads-up display. Premium features like Polestar digital key and video streaming apps and premium Harman Kardon sound systems should be a major priority for onboard entertainment solutions and connected automobile solutions. It is a video and digital key streaming app. Currently in beta testing, Polestar Digital Key utilizes a total of 18 Bluetooth sensors both inside and outside the Polestar 2. While the vehicle is parked for charging, the user can utilize the video streaming app to stream content directly to the center display. It is expected that both functions will be ready by the time the Polestar 3 is ready for sale. With a 600-watt Harman Kardon sound system and 2 subwoofers in the Polestar 2, the Polestar 3 should deliver a similar level of musical quality. A self-driving car. One of the key features of the Polestar 3's Highway Pilot system is hands-free autonomous driving. A software upgrade later in the vehicle's life cycle could achieve SAE Level 3 autonomy for this vehicle. Unsupervised Highway Pilot will be added to the 3 at some point during its existence, according to Polestar. The Highway Pilot software for the 3 will be provided by Zenseact. It is possible that the 3's automated driving system hardware is similar to that of the Volvo Embla in terms of technology. NVIDIA's Drive Orin SoC and Luminar's LiDAR sensor will power the autonomous driving computer. AVN powered by Android. Android Automotive OS will power the infotainment system in the Polestar 3. Customers who are used to using Android devices like smartphones, tablets, and TVs will find it straightforward to use the vehicle's center screen to access onboard functionality. Customers can download apps from the Google Play Store and use everyday apps such as Google Maps, Spotify, Audible, and Google Podcasts straight in the infotainment system while on the road. Users can utilize the well-known "Hey Google" command to activate Google Assistant. Thanks for watching today's video, and kindly subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I'll personally reply to your comment. You could also add any more amazing car concepts that the world, or us, might have forgotten about. Thanks!